So I have this little trick for those that not sure how to get rid of their clothes that they are not wearing. For those people that just feel like they actually do wear it, but in actuality they don't. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off by hanging all your clothes this way on your hanger, on your in your closet. Then once you actually wear that item and wash it and you put it back up, you're gonna hang it the correct way. You're gonna hang it the right way. So as you begin to wear that item, you're gonna continue to hang it until all the clothes are hung this way right here. So all the clothes are hung this way. If you have clothes in 3 to 6 months that are still hung this way, it means you're not wearing them. It means you're not wearing them at all. It means that you either need to get rid of it or give it away to somebody that might can wear them, that probably can fit them. All right, you guys, happy Tuesday.